So okay, so far we talked about racism and how to analyze racism or racist ideologies, how to explore and make visible, make transparent racist ideologies and discourses. Fine. So multiple techniques we talked about. Let me show you an example from the very same movie again. Here is the movie exam. uh, okay, it's a very good movie, a family movie. You must also watch this movie. It's about exams. Fine. One of my favorite movies. 49. Let me get you to another example of racism in this one single movie. Right here.
S'il vous plaît.
As I told you, the white people, they give commands, they give orders. Fine. Now look at this.
And then there were 5. Bastard doesn't do you justice. You said we should cooperate until we discover the question.
Ah, so I lied. All right, I lied. So what? Lying is not against the rules, is it?
Did you hear it?
Yes, sir.
Like when this person, the black person, he is a scientist, when he tells the white person that he had promised that we'll cooperate with one another, so he directly says without any hesitation, without coming up with any apology, I'm sorry, I lied or thing like that. He very boldly he says, I lied. Why? Because he is white, he is dominant. Fine. On the other hand, the black person we can see here, we do not have their names. Okay, rather they are referred to with these names only: black and white and brown and these words. Okay, so like this person, he is white because he considers himself to be a superior person, okay, based on the racial group he belongs to. That is why he does not apologize, rather he simply says, so I lied, there is nothing wrong with lying, and lying is not against the rule, is it? Fine. So like he's talking about the rules of this particular exam. Let me apply it again.
Bastard doesn't do you justice. You said we should cooperate until we discover the question.
Ah, so I lied. All right, I lied. So what? Lying is not against the rules, is it? Anyway, you don't have to listen to me.
He gives command again. Listen to me now.
Let alone agree or obey. You should thank me. All of you should thank me, okay? I've just narrowed down the field so your odds improve. Odds?
Like instead of apologizing, he is asking the other people to thank him. Come on, look at this now. Fine. So this is how, like, this is just one of the million and billions of examples. Clear? So this is what racism is all about. If you have any question, you may kindly ask. No question
No
at all?
questions.
No question at all? If anyone has got any question, you may kindly ask. Abdullah Khatak, Afab Bilal, Arusa, Furkan, Gauhar, Gulilala Fida, Najibullah, Jalal Khan, Mohammad Tosif, Rabia Sadullah, Asadur Rahman. If you people have any question, you may kindly ask. Ji,
No question, sir.
no question at all. Okay, fine. name of the novel is An Invisible Man. Fine. So in that novel is all about a man who is black, fine, who is an Irish immigrant, and he is, he's been invisible for a lifetime. Like he is living in a manhole, in, beneath the main road in a city. There is a manhole, like a pathway for the dirty water. So he is living there, and he tells his story. Then the Invisible Man. Can we go through the summary of the novel, or I can share the summary with you in one page only. That novel is all about that black man. Throughout the novel, he tells us the ways, the unbiased ways he is being treated. Okay, like when he is granted scholarships, who is granted that scholarship based on a fight competition, where he is insulted over there and humiliated over there. Fine. Then when he is given a scholarship, fine, so over there in the school as well, he is treated very badly, very biasly in the school. Fine. Then when that person, he goes with a white head of a department to some place, but over there again as well, he is humiliated over there, and he is held responsible for that action. He is kicked out of the organization, and he is given certain by the head of the department, who is white. The black person is given some notes, and like he is asked to take those notes to any other organization for a job. But when he goes to those organizations, so he is told by a person that the letters which he has been given by the head of that school, there is nothing in those letters, only one single sentence: keep this nigger boy running, keep this nigger boy running, usko zindagi bar दौड़ने दे. Fine. So like throughout the novel, we can see that that black person, he is humiliated, and he is treated very biasly, and like discrimination is there, gender racial based discrimination is there, marginalization is there. So you may analyze novels, you may analyze short stories, you may analyze plays, you may analyze movies, you may analyze the speeches of Donald Trump or any other racist person you feel that the person or the discourse is racist discourse. Clear?
Yes,
जी.
sir.
अब आप लोगों की क्लास शुरू हो गई है, I think.
Sir, हमें just wait and protest.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'm sorry to take 5 minutes of your next class. Stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir.